Hey guys, welcome back. I'm super excited to share my fall kitchen decor video with you guys. I hope you consider subscribing and make sure you like this video. Let's get right to it. Okay, so this first little house is actually from Target, and the candle is from Home Goods. The runner is from Target. This graceful sign is from Target. The candle holder to the right is actually from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. The pour mug is from Home Goods. It's a Ray Dunn mug, or I don't even know what you call these things. The flower arrangement is from Old Time Pottery. The sign is actually from the Dollar Tree. And then, of course, the candles from Bath and Body Works. Okay, so this tiered tray is actually from Home Goods. All the Ray Dunn stuff is also from Home Goods. These little leaves are from the Dollar Tree. I love them. It gives a little pop of color. This pumpkin is from Ross, and I got it because it smells just like vanilla. It has something inside of it that has like a scent of vanilla. The candle is from TJ Maxx. It smells amazing. It's white pumpkin. And then I just placed all of it on this mat that I had. I thought it looked cute, so I went with it. I actually had 3 of them. So we put our Keurig on another one with a Ray Dunn mug, and then all my other canisters from Ray Dunn on top of the placemat as well. Okay, so moving on to the next side, I have a cake holder that's holding my 3-tier pumpkin that I found at TJ Maxx. This thanks sign is from Target Dollar section. The candle holder again is from the Dollar Tree, and then the candle is from TJ Maxx. That smells amazing. It's autumn leaves. And then those little leaves on the bottom, the gold ones, are from the dollar section in Target, and I painted the edges gold because I didn't like the color it was originally. Okay, and then I have a Bake Ray Dunn canister, and then the sign to the left of it is from the Dollar Tree. It's the same one as the one previously. Okay, and then on the stove, I have kitchen towels. They say thankful, grateful, blessed. And I got these from Burlington. I love that they incorporate all the colors, the white, the gray, and the gold that I'm going with. Okay, and on this side, I have the Hello Fall sign, the cutting board, and the truck. Those are all from the Bullseye section in Target. And then the candles just from Home Goods. It's the same one that I have on the other side. I love it. It's simple, and it gives a little pop of color. And of course, I have my Mrs. Meyer Acorn Spice scent, the spray and the dish detergent. I love this smell. I literally clean my counters just to smell it. Okay, and over here I have the cookies and dulces canisters. Those are from Home Goods, and the thankful sign. My mom gave it to me as a gift. This flower arrangement, I actually got it from TJ Maxx, and I love it. It completely says fall to me, so I definitely had to pick that up. Okay guys, so that is the end of my kitchen fall tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can follow me for my next projects. I have a lot of decorating videos coming up, and if you guys have any ideas for me, definitely comment down below so that I can hear from you guys. Alrighty, love you guys. Bye.